Alright guys, you know I got a bald head and I got an unboxing today for you guys that I'm actually pretty damn excited about. It is a head shaver, so it will be in the link in the description below. By the way, man, if you ain't liking that button, you better like that button, because I'm trying to get to 20,000 followers. I've been trying a while. This is the Remington. Should I throw that in my bathroom? My bathtub? No, but I'm gonna. This is the Remington Balder. That's what they're calling them. That's like the nickname or whatever. I've been using the shaver for a while now, like a regular pair of clippers, and I'll be honest, like, it works, and it worked just fine. It works just fine, but I just want to try something new. So this is the guy right here. Let's take a picture. Those are a couple pictures real quick for the thumbnail. And I'm honestly curious if it's gonna work. I'm not even gonna read the box. Am I gonna read the box? I might read the box. Balder Pro 66% plus. What the hell does that mean? 66% plus. Wet Tech, 100% waterproof. Lithium, 50-minute runtime, charging indicator, worldwide voltage, cordless, reusable, rechargeable. 5 dual track heads. I don't even care about any of that. I'm gonna be honest. I don't really give a damn. Does it shave my head? Does it not shave my head? That's all I care about. Okay, so it comes with some stuff here. You got, it looks like a little charging cable. I don't ever know what, oh, that's, now that I think about it, maybe that's to clean the damn thing. Maybe that's why that comes with everything. Clean off the hair. That makes sense. You got a charging cord. It looks like just a little, tiny little thing, and some oil. I assume you gotta oil them regularly or irregularly or whatever. We got the unit here. Little tiny thing. Not tiny, but nice. It's not the size of my head. It was a little bit smaller. Whoa. Looks like we got a little attachment there. Whoa, that's pretty cool. I didn't expect that. And it's got a nice little cover or whatever for travel, which is weird because it was only this part of the box, this top part of the box. So I'm like, what the hell's in the rest of the box? So you got a ginormous box for this. That's okay. I get it. I get it. You got to make it look good. But that's really cool. It's got a little pouch. I do travel a lot. This, you know what? I didn't think about this. This could be amazing for travel. Yes! I am ridiculously excited about that all of a sudden. I hate bringing my clippers. And this is a cool little, and we're going to try it all over my head real quick. So I believe this one was 69 bucks or something like that. And you got a little power button there. And I don't know if it's going to have any charge. I'm hoping it does. I don't know if you can just start it right off the bat. Apparently it's running. I don't know. I don't see a charging indicator. Oh, that's probably when it's plugged in. I'm kind of freaked out. I'm kind of scared. Oh my God! Just kidding. I'm messing with you. I didn't feel nothing. Let's see. I've never used one of these. So let's see. We're at like 15 seconds. Wow, shit, it's working. Holy crap, that's hella bald. Do you see that? That's hella bald. Just kidding. So funny, huh? Wow, that actually doesn't pull your hair. I remember I bought one of those face shaver things a long time ago at a thrift store. I thought that thing was really trying to kill me. I don't feel anything at all, actually. It's like you can feel almost kind of like a light scratch. Like you're just kind of scratching your head like a light scratch. That's kind of interesting, actually. I'm impressed. Holy shit. One thing I was wondering is how do you get behind your ears? Maybe that's what That's for. Is that running? Let's see. I don't know how that works. Yeah, it's definitely running. Let's see. Maybe it goes this way. Does it go this way? Let me look in the mirror. I don't know. I don't know exactly how to use that yet. I think it is working, but just very lightly. You know what's cool is I got a significant scar on my neck right there, and that damn thing makes me bleed every time. The hair clippers, I don't feel nothing going over that scar, so that's kind of cool. I like that. And I'm hella close to my ear. That's usually a spot I cut quite a bit. I have really sensitive skin. I have psoriasis. I don't know if it's cutting back there. My hair's not very long. Ooh, that's hella bald. That's way balder than, that's really bald. Holy shit. That's like right to the skin. How the hell does that work? How does it do that? Got the side. Oh my gosh, this is my new favorite thing. Look, we're like a minute in. Look, if you could see, that's hella bald. Wow, that's amazing. I don't know, you can see the hair on this side, no hair on this side. Wow. Can't really get a good picture of it because of the light, but now I'm gonna go for the top. We're screwing around probably about 2 minutes in so far. This is like, that's bic close. Have you ever bicked your head like with a razor? That's how close that is. It actually feels kind of good. It's like a massage. I don't know if you're supposed to do it in a certain pattern or whatever. Are you supposed to empty it? I don't know. Let me get through this shave and see. We'll see at the end. I should have probably read the directions if you're supposed to go in a certain pattern, or seems to be just working fine though. I've never shaved my head that low. It feels weird. It feels cool, but like, the only reason I've never done it is because I don't trust myself with a razor. It's like a really cool feeling, actually. It's nice. That's nice. I feel like I'm done. I'm probably 3 or 4 minutes in, about the same time that it takes me to shave my head. You know what I noticed though? No hair in the sink. That's amazing. I could feel, and you're going to be able to feel if there's any spots. I feel like I'm just getting excessive with it now, but there's no, maybe a little something there. I don't know if that's hair or not. Okay, so maybe 4 minutes in. Now I want to see if it does my face. Holy shit. You know what's cool about this? I don't have to go take a shower afterwards. I'm not covered in freaking hair. My son Boo would have loved one of these because he hated that feeling of hair. And then if you want to line it up with like a razor, you could, just around the goatee or something. Look, this side, got some stubble. This side, it's all gone. Wow. Now let's see the other side. Normally this is like a 3-stage process. It hits that facial hair really fast. Holy shit, that's crazy. I'm going to be completely honest, 100,000% with you. I did not anticipate this actually being something that I would like. I was like, it's going to suck. I'm going to do the side before and after. It looks really good. I'm like ridiculously impressed with this thing. Wow. Now what I'm going to try to do is, and I don't even know if it's fully charged or not, I'm going to try to do the trim work around my goatee that I usually do. It's definitely cutting now. You can hear it. Interesting. That's scary, doing my eyebrows. Huh. Let's see. Doing my ears. I think it's going to be a little bit of a learning curve, but holy shit. Now, without reading the instructions, oh, okay, it looks like I just popped this off. So it pulls all the hair in there. Look at all that. Holy crap. Look at that. Not, well, a little bit got on my counter just because I dropped it, but. Dump that out. Snap it back on. See if it catches anymore. Wow. That's really cool. And I don't feel any hair anywhere. That's intense. I'm a really picky person. I'm going to give that legitimately 10 out of 10. I will buy those again. So $70. It's got a little trimmer. It's got the head and face. So you obviously don't have to buy one of these. And you don't have to buy razors and shaving cream. In 3 months, this is going to pay for itself. This is going to be the new age, guys. That's cool. And let's see how it fits in this little travel thing. You know what's cool about this, too? When I do travel, because, look, it fits in that little thing. Little case. When I do travel, if I'm traveling on, like, the bike or traveling light, I don't want to be shaving cream. I don't want to bring the clippers. I don't want to bring razors. I literally have one little thing that I have to bring. And other than that, I also don't have to go find a store if I don't have clippers or go get a haircut when I'm traveling or go get razors and shaving cream or anything. So that's pretty cool. Check out the link in the description below. If you purchase one, please use my link. I saw some other ones available that were a little bit cheaper, that were a lot more expensive. And Remington had some really good reviews. Plus, let's be honest, it's a trusted brand. I've used it before and I'll use it again. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and share.